Are you tired of spending weeks creating digital products only to launch and hear crickets? What if you could skip the writing, recording, and designing and just plug a ready-made, high-quality product straight into your funnel today? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at Reinvention Masterplan. Here is my honest take right out of the gate. If you need a low-ticket tripwire offer to turn cold traffic into buyers, this is a no-brainer. Most private label rights content is just a boring text document. This package includes 10 professionally recorded video lessons, audio files, slide decks, and a fully built sales page. It is a complete business in a box. Make sure you click the link in the description because I have put together a massive bonus package you will not find anywhere else. So, what exactly is Reinvention Masterplan? It is a 10-lesson fast start coaching kit with complete private label rights. The topic is personal reinvention. This is a massive evergreen niche. People are constantly looking for ways to restart their careers, rebuild their confidence, and change their lives. This product is for affiliate marketers, coaches, and content creators who want to build a list and make immediate sales but do not have the time to create a course from scratch. It solves the biggest problem we all face: time. You do not need to be an expert on camera. You just download the files, add your name, and start selling. Let us look inside the actual package you are getting. On your screen right now, you can see the download folders. First, you get the 10 research-backed written lessons in both Word and PDF formats. Next, you get the 10 video lessons. These are high-quality MP4 files ready to upload to your site. You also get the MP3 audio versions for people who like to listen on the go. It includes the PowerPoint slide decks if you want to run webinars or create new videos. Most importantly, you get the high-impact sales letter, the delivery page, and the lead capture page. All the code and graphics are done for you. You just upload this to your hosting account, plug in your payment button, and you are live. Let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end offer is ridiculously low. It will cost you between $7 and $10 during this launch period. At that price, you make your money back with just one sale. After you buy, you will see a few optional upgrades. Upgrade 1 is $37. This gives you extra marketing assets to help you sell the main product faster. Upgrade 2 is $77. This is a massive done-for-you package to build out your back-end offers. Upgrade 3 is $37. This provides additional reseller tools. You do not need these upgrades to make the front end work, but they are designed to save you even more time and scale your profits if you have the budget. Now let's talk about my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. If you buy Reinvention Masterplan through my link in the description, you get all of these 10 bonuses for free to help you get traffic and sales immediately. Bonus 1 is Lead Book Generator. This tool connects your Facebook lead ads straight to your autoresponder, so you capture targeted buyers instantly. Bonus 2 is Vid Builder, a drag-and-drop WordPress builder to create lightning-fast video sales pages for your new course. Bonus 3 is WP Sales Robot. This plugin is designed to instantly boost your conversions on the provided sales page. Bonus 4 is Tubelytics, an all-in-one YouTube tool to spy on winning videos and pull in free targeted traffic. Bonus 5 is Commission Fire, a complete training program revealing how super affiliates drive massive commissions on demand. Bonus 6 is WP Swift Page Plugin. This makes your new sales pages load instantly so you don't lose mobile traffic. Bonus 7 is 100 ready-made niche blocks, instant content to help you drive search engine traffic to your new offer. Bonus 8 is Social Media Marketing Boost, a guide to help you leverage social networks to get free eyeballs on your funnel. Bonus 9 is Lead Generation Authority Gold, advanced tactics to fill your new email list with red-hot leads. Bonus 10 is the List Building Profit Kit, a step-by-step system to ensure your new funnel is actually profitable. To wrap this up, Reinvention Masterplan is one of the highest quality private label rights packages I have seen this year. The fact that it includes 10 video modules makes it an absolute steal for under $10. But you need to act fast. The special launch discount and my exclusive 10-part bonus package will expire as soon as the countdown timer on the sales page hits 0. I'm also strictly limiting these bonuses to the first 50 buyers to keep these traffic strategies effective for those who take action. Do not miss out. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy and all your bonuses. Thank you for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and internet marketing strategies. After you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. See you in the next video.